Good morning, students. Today we are going to see Virechana Dravyas and their yogas, which are explained in Charak Kalpasthana for Virechana Karma. So in Charak Sutrasthan 4th chapter, it is explained that Shad Virechana Shatani iti yaduktam tadiha sangreno dahyatya vistrena kalpopanishadi vyakhyasyaamaha iti Shad Virechana Shatani. So there were 600 yogas has been explained by Acharya Charak. Here, Sadvirechana means 600, Sadvirechana Shatani means 600 Virechana yogas, as Virechana is also synonym for Vaman Karma. So, among 600, 355 yogas were explained for Vaman Karma and 245 yogas were explained for Virechana Karma. Here also explained that Shat Virechana Shraya iti Kshiram Mulas Tvaka Patra Pushpa Falaniti. That means we are using Kshira, Mula, Tvaka, Patra, Pushpa, Phala of these ingredients, these main ingredients. Like if we are using Snuhi, then Snuhi Kshira we used for Virechana Karma. Like if we are using Phala, then Madan Phala will be used for Vaman Karma. If we are using Mula, then Shyama Tivrut Mula or Mula can be used for the Virechana Karma. So among 245 yogas, Shyama Trivrut Do Gatshatam Pranitam Dasha Pare Chatra Bhavanti Yogaha. That means 110 yogas has been explained for Shyama Trivrut. Chaturangulo Dvadashadya Yogamiti. That means Chaturangula is a synonym of Aragvada. So 12 yogas for Aragvada. Lodram Vidyo Shodasha Yoga Yuktam. That means 16 yogas for Lodra. Then Mahavruksha Bhavati Vishamti Yoga Yuktaha. Mahavruksha means Snuhi is the synonyms. Mahavruksha is synonym for Snuhi. So 20 yogas has been explained for Snuhi. Ekon Chatvarimshata Saptala Shankhini no Yogaha. That means 39 yogas combinedly for Saptala and Shankhini has been explained. Then Ashta Chatvarimshat Danti Dravantyo. It is Shadvirechana Shatani. So combinedly Danti and Dravanti 48 yogas were explained. So first we will see Trivruta. As Trivruta is based Sukhvirechak. So in Charak Kalpasthan, Shyama Trivruta Kalpa Adhyay 7th chapter, 110 Trivruta Yoga were explained. So Latin name of Trivruta is Opericula terpentum. Family is Convolvulaceae family, and synonyms are Tribandi, Trivruta, Chaiva, Shyama, Kutarana, Tatha, Sarvanubhuti, Subha, Shabdai, Paryaya, Vachakaihi. So in 7th chapter, synonyms for Trivruta are Tribandi, Trivruta, Shyama, Kutarana, Sarvanubhuti, Suvaha are the synonyms. So mainly useful part is Mula of Mula Tvaka and Patra. So ras of Trivruta Mula is Tiktakatu, Guna is Lagu Ruksha Tikshna, Virya is Ushna, Vipaka is Katu, and Prabhava is obviously Rechak. It is a Kavpita Shamak. So what kind of Mula should be collected? So it is explained that Guna Vatyam Tayor Bhumau Jatam Mula Samudaret Upasya Prayatah Shulke Shukla Samahitah Gambhiranugatam Lakshanam Matirya Lakshanam Tiryak Vasrutam Cha Yata Tadvi Patyo Red Tvacham Shushkam Nidapayet. That means root should be smooth, deep rooted, and straight. It should be collected in Shukla Paksh, as in every month Shukla and Krishna Paksh. Among them, Shukla Paksh should be chosen for collecting Mula of Trivrut. Person who is going to collect should have fast upvas and he should wear white clothes. Then after collecting Mula, outer, that is Tvak part, should be removed and stored in clear container. So here 110 yogas for Virechan. They are Eko Amla Divir Ashto. So Eko plus Ashto. So total 9 yogas for Amladi Dravyas, which are Amla Kanji, Gomutra, then Avimutra, Ajamutra, Mahishi Mutra, Sauvira, Tushoda, Prasanna, Trifla, etc. So these 9 Mishra yogas can be used. Then Dashadvo Sendavadivi. So 12 Sendavadi yogas. So all 12 Sendavs, that is salt types, they are Sendav, Savachar, Kal Lavan, Vid Lavan, Samudra Lavan, Audbid Lavan, etc. can be used as Virechan with the Trivrut Mula Churna. Sendavas can be taken. Then Mutra Ashtadasha. So Gomutra, 18 types of yogas. Then Yashtya Dau, that means 2 yogas for Yashti Madhu. Then Jivakadau Chaturdasha, that means Jivakadi Dravyas can be taken and they are 14 yogas. Then Kshiradau Sapta Lehyo Lehe Ashto. So Kshiradau means Dugdadi 7, Kshiradau Saptam, so with milk like Godugdha and etc. dravyas like Godugdha, Mamsarasa, Ikshurasa, Kashmir Rasa, Draksha Rasa, Pilu Rasa, and Grud. So these are 7 yogas. Then Lehe Ashto, that means 8 yogas or Avleya has been explained. Then Chatvara Sitaya Api, so 4 yogas with Sharkara. Panakadishu Pancheva, so Panakadi 5 yogas has been explained. Then Shadrupto, that means Shadruto, that means according to season 6 yogas has been explained. Then Panchamodakaha, that means 5 yogas for Modak. Then Chatvarascha Grute Kshire, Chatvarascha Grute Kshire, so 4 yogas for Grita and Dugdha has been explained. Do Churne, 2 yogas for Churna Tarpane. Do Churne Tarpane, so 2 yogas for Churna and Tarpan. Do Madhye, so Madhya yogas are 2. Kanji ke do, that means 2 yogas for Kanji. Dasanye Shadavadishu, so 10 yogas for Shadavadi. So there are total 110 yogas were explained. Then Aragvada. So in 8th chapter of Kalpasthana, Chaturangula Kalpayadhyaya, yogas for Aragvad were explained. So Latin name for Aragvada is Cassia fistula. Family is Cisalpinidae family. Synonyms: आरग्वदो राजवृक्ष शम्पाक चतुरंगुला प्रग्रह कृतमालश्च कर्णिकारो अवघातकः. So आरग्वद राजवृक्ष शम्पाक चतुरंगुल प्रग्रह कृतमाल कर्णिकारो अवघात. These are synonyms for आरग्वद. So useful part for आरग्वद is फलमज्जा, मूलत्वक, पुष्प and पत्र. Rus of आरग्वद is madhur, पूर्ण is mrudu, guru and snigdha, virya is shita and vipaka is madhur. So आरग्वद is mrudu viryachananam shreshtam, so its prabhav is sramsana. Then doshagnata is kapit shamak. So when Phalamajja should be collected of Aragvada is explained in Charakalpasthana that Phalakale Phalam Tasya Grahyam Parinatam Cha Yat Tesham Gunavantam Bharam Sikatasu Nidyapayat Saptaratrat Samuddatya Shoshayeda Tapi Bishak Tato Majjana Muddatya Sucho Bande Nidapayat. That means fruits which are good quality, heavy in weight, should be collected. Gunavanta bharam. So it should be heavy in weight. Then kept in sand for 7 days. Saptaratra. For 7 days it should be kept in sand. Then remove it from sand after 7 days. Then clean and dry in sunlight. And after that, pulpa, that is phalmajja, can be used for purgation therapy. So there are 12 yogas has been explained for Trivruta Jaturangula. So Draksharase, that means for Draksharas, that means Aragvad Phalmajja should be mixed with Draksharasa and can be taken for Virechan. Then Sura Siddho, so for Suramanda, one yoga. Siddho, one yoga. Sidhu means. Then Dadi, Manda, one yoga. Chamlaki Rase, so for Amlaki Swaras, one yoga. Sauvirake, one yoga. Kashaya, so for Trivruta Kashaya, one yoga. Cha Trivrut, Sauvirake Kashaya Cha Trivruto. So Kashaya Cha Trivruto means for Trivrut Kashaya, one yoga. Bilvakasya Cha, so for as a Bilvakwatha can be used for Anupana, for Aragvad Phalamajja Churna. Then Lehe, that means Avleha, one yoga. Arishte, one yoga. Brute Dve, so Brutpaka can be done. And 2 yogas for Brutpana, so total Dwadasha yogas, 12 yogas has been explained for Trivruta. Then Tilvak, in 9th chapter of Kalpasthana, Tilvak Kalpa Adhyaya, Tilvak yogas has been explained. So Latin name Symplochus racemosa, family Symplocaceae, and synonym is Tilvak Matolodram Bruhatpatra Stiditak. So useful part is Mulatvaka, Rasa is Kashaya Tikta, Guna is Lagu, Virya is Shita, Vipaka is Katu, Prabhav is Virechak, and Doshagnata is Kapha Pitta Shamak. So collection of Mulatvaka of Tilvak has been explained in Charakalpasthana, that is Tasya Mulatvakam Shushka Amanta Valkala Varjitam Churna Yetu त्रिधा कृत्वा द्वौ भागो चोतयेत रौद्रस्यैव कषायेण तृतीयं तेन भावयेत् भागं तत् तं दशमूलस्य पुनः क्वाथेन भावयेत् शुष्कं चूर्णं पुनः कृत्वा तत ऊर्ध्व प्रयोजयेत्. So collection of root bark of tilwak should be done and it should be divided in 3 parts. Then prepare a kashai should be prepared from 2 parts and remaining 1 part should be kept and bhavna should be given by kashaya, which is made up of 2 part of collected tilwak, mula, tvaka churna. So here we have to collect tilwak, mula, churna divided into 3 parts. 1 part can be used as virechak and kashaya should be prepared of 2 parts by which 1 part bhavna should be given by kashaya of these 2 parts. Then it should be dried and again bhavna should be given by dashmul kwatha. Again it should be dried and collected. So there has been 16 yogas were explained. They are Panchadadya Dibistveka Sura Sauviranakena Cha. So Panchadadya, that means 5 for Dadi, etc. Then Sura and Sauvirakan. Sura, one yoga for Sura, one yoga for Sauvirak. Then Eko Arishta, one yoga for Arisht तथा yoga Eka Kampilakena. One yoga for Kampilaka. Lehastrayo, 3 yogas for Leha. Krutinapi Chatvara, 4 yogas for Gruta has been explained in for Virechan purpose. So total yogas tena lodram mulanam kalpe shodasha darshita. That means 16 yogas were explained of lodra mula. That is Tilwak yogas. Then Snuhi. So in 10th chapter of Kalpasthana Sudha Kalpa Adhyaya, Snuhi yogas were explained. So Latin name is Euphorbia nerifolia. Lin family is Euphorbiaceae family. Synonyms are Sa, Namna, Snook, Buddha, Nanda, Sudha, Nistrish, Patrakaha. So mainly 2 types of Snuhi. Vividam, Sam, Ato Alpascha, Bahubhischaiva, Kantakaihi, Sutikshnai, Kantakai, Alpe, Pravaro, Bahukantaka. So 2 types of Snuhi. One is which is having many Kantakas and one which is less in Kantakas. So Snuhi is Tikshna Virechak Dravya. So it should be used very precautionally because it should not be administered in Mrudu constipation as it is very Tikshna. When there is availability of other Virecha Dravyas, that time we should not use Snuhi because it can be caused complications. And among these two types of Snuhi, the variety which is having more Kantakas is very Tikshna. Then Snuhi should be collected during Shishira Rutu. At the end of Shishira Rutu, it should be collected. In some text, it is explained that seed of Vruksha should be collected in Sharad Rutu, but for Snuhi, Shishi Rutu, end of Shishi Rutu must is best for collecting Snuhi Kshira. Then useful part, as we are discussing Kshira, so useful part is Kshira. Rasa is Katu, Pruna is Lagu Tikshna, Ushna Vidya, Vipaka is Katu, Prabhav is Tikshna Virachan, and Kapavata Shama. So collection of Dravya, Tau Vipatya Haren, Kshira, Shastrena, Mati, Mana, Vishaka, Dvivarsha, Va Trivarsha, Shishirante, Visheshata. So latex of Snuhi should be collected by giving incision with sharp instrument in the stem of Snuhi, which is Dvivarsha va 3 verses. So that means 2 or 3 years old, and in Shishirante, end of Shishir Rutu, latex, that is Snuhi Kshira, should be collected. There has been 20 yogas were explained. There Sauviraka Divi Sapta, so 7 yogas for Sauviraka, etc. Then Sarpisha, that is Dhruta Yoga is 1. Rasena, that is Mams Rasa is 1. Panakam, that is Panaka is 1. Greya, Greya means Nashya, so 1 yoga as Nashya. Leho, that means Avleha is 1 yoga. Cha Yoga Yusha Divi Strayaha. So Yusha yogas are 3. Then Do Shushka Mastya Mamsabhya, 2 yogas of Shushka Matsya Mamsa has been explained. Then Sureka Dve Cha Sarpishi. Sureka, that means 1 yoga for Sura, and Dve Cha Sarpi, 2 yogas for Grita has been explained. So Mahavruksha Yogastena Vimshati Samudgayata. That means 20 yogas has been explained for Snuhi. Next is Saptala and Shankhini. So Saptala, Latin name is Euphorbia draculoides, and families Mimosaceae. Synonyms are Saptala, Charmasahya, Chabahukena, Rasachasa. Useful part is Mulatvaka, Rasa is Katutikta, Guna is Tikshna Ruksha, Vidya is Usna, and Vipaka is Katu. Prabhav is Virechak, Doshagnata is Kapha Shamak. So collection of Dravyas is Saptala Yascha Mulani Gruhitva Vachani Kshipet. So there is no specific explanation is given, only Mula should be collected and stored in clean container. Shankhini, Latin name is Tenolepis Syraciformis. Family is Cucurbitaceae family. Synonym is Shankhini Tiktala Chaiva Yavatikta Akshi Pidakaha. Shankhini has synonyms are Tiktala, Yavatikta, Akshipidak. Useful part is Phala. Rasa is Katutikta. Guna is Tikshna, Rukshna, Guru Snigdha. Vidya is Ushna. Vipaka is Katu. Prabhava is Virechak. Doshagnata is Tridoshamak. Then what quality of fruit should be collected? Nati Shushka Phalam Grahyam Shankhinyam Nistushi krutam. That means fruit of Shankhini should be taken which is neither too dry nor too wet. And after collecting, outer covering should be removed and can be used for virechan. So there are 39 yogas combinedly explained for Saptala and Shankhini. They are Kashaya das Shat, that means 16 yogas for Kashaya. Chaiva Sata Taile, that means 6 yogas for Taila. Ashtaucha Sarpishi, 8 yogas for Grita. Panchamadhya, 5 for Madhya. Trayoleha, that means 3 for Avle. Yoga Kampilake Tatha. 1 yoga for Kampilaka has been explained. Saptala Shankhi Nibhyam Te Trim Shankdukta Navadikaha. That means 39 yogas were explained for Saptala and Shankhi. Next is last chapter for Kalpasthana, that is Danti Dravanti Kalpadhyaya 12. Combinedly, Danti and Dravanti yogas were explained for Virechan Karma. So Danti Latin name is Beliospermum montanum and family is Euphorbiaceae family. Synonyms for Danti is Danti Udumbara Parni, Shyani, Kumbho, Mukulakaha. So its useful part is Mula, Rasa is Katu, Guna is Tikshna, Vikasi, Ashukari and Guru. Vidya is Ushna, Vipaka is Katu and Prabhavi is Virechak. Doshagnata is Kapha and Pitta Vilayati. That means it expels Kapha and Pitta dosha after liquefying it by its Ushna Virya Tikshna property and Vikasi property. So collection of Dravya, that is collection of Danti Mula, Tayor Mulani Sangruhya Sthirani Balani Cha Bahalani Cha Astidanta Prakarani Shyavata Tamra Ni Buddhimana Ipli Madhu Liktani Sweda Ye Mruk Kushantare Shoshayeda Tape Agne Ko Hato Yesham Vikashitanma. So it is explained like the root collected should be sthir, sarayukta, thick bark like hastidanta. Then color should be shyava and tamra. After collecting, pipli, madhu should be applied. So paste made up of pipli and madhu should be applied over collected mula of danti. Then it should be bind with pusha, that means grass, and mud should be applied over it. Then it should be placed in fire. So when it is become mrudu, it should be removed and it should be dried under sunlight. So by drying in Agni and sunlight, it loses its Vikasi Guna. So initially, if we are using directly Danti Mula, it should be very potent, or it will be very, it have extreme Vikasi Guna. So to reduce is its Vikasi Guna, we are doing this activity like applying paste of pipli and paste made up of pipli and madhu. Then it should be covered with pusha, that is grass, green grass. Then mud should be applied and dried it in fire. After then it should be collected and again it should be dried in sunlight. So 2 times we are drying it in Agni and sunlight, and then by doing this Danti loses its Vikasi guna, then it should be used as Virechak internally. So Dravanti, in 12th chapter, Dravanti explained that Latin name is Jatropha glandulifera, family is Euphorbiaceae. Synonyms are Dravanti, Nama, Taschitra, Nagrodhi, Ushika, Yaya. Useful parts are Mula and Bija. Rasa is Katu, Guna is Tikshna, Vikasi, Asukari, Guru. Virya is Ushna, Vipaka is Katu, Prabhava is Virechak. So both have same Doshagnata, Kapha, Pitta, Vilayati. So it should be, it is also same explained that if we are collecting Mula of Dravanti, then it should be collected same as we are collecting Danti. So there are 48 yogas combinedly for Danti and Dravanti were explained in Charak Kalpasthana 12th chapter. So they are Dadyadishu Trayah Pancha Priyaladye Strayo Rase. So Dadyadishu Traya, that means 3 yogas of Dadi. Pancha Priyaladi, Priyal, etc. 5 yogas. Trayo Rase, that is 3 yogas for Mamsarasa were explained. Sneheshu Vai Trayo Lehya. Shat Churne Tveka Evacha. Sneheshu Vai Trayo. So 3 for Sneha, Lehya Shata, 6 for Avleha, Churne, that is 1. Churne Tveka Evacha. Then Iksha Vekas Tatha, for Ikshurasa 1. Mudgam Mamsanam Cha Rasastrayah. So Munga and for Mamsarasa 3 yogas were explained. Then Yavagvado Trayaschaiva Ukta Uktarika Vido. So for Yavagu 3 yogas, Utkarika 1 yogas were explained. Then Ekascha Modake 1 yogas for Modak. Madhyascheka, so for 1 is for Madhya. Stat Kwatha Tailekacha. Then Danti Kwatha Tailak 1 yoga. Then Churnam Ekam 1 yoga for Churna. Unas Cheko Modaka. Again 1 yoga for Modak and Panchasave. 5 for Asavas. Then Eka Savirake Atheko. 1 for Savirake has been explained. Then Yoga Syatu Tushodake. 1 for Tushodaka was explained. Then Eka Sureka. 1 for Sura Kampilake. 1 for Kampilake तथा Pancha Brute Smruta. 5 yoga for Bruta were explained. So total 48 yogas were explained for Danti and Dravanti combinedly. Then Virechanopak Dravyas. So in Charak Sutrasthan 4th chapter 13th shloka, it is explained that Draksha, Kashmaryam, Parushaka, Abhaya, Amlaka, Vibitaka, Uvala Badara, Karkandu, Pilu, Niti, Dashimani, Virechanopagani, Bhavanti. So as we have studied Vamanopag, that which Dravyas do help during Vamana, Karma, they are Vamanopak. Same like that, the Dravyas which were helping in inducing Virechan Karma, they are Virecanopak Dravyas. So Acharya Chakrapani commented that drugs like honey, that is Madhu, helps in emetic in performing ideal woman known as Vamanopak. Similarly, in the case of Virecanopak, The drugs which helps the Virechan dravyas in their Virechan action may known as Virechanopagga. So the drugs like Draksha, Kashmarya, Parushak, Abhya, that is Haritaki, Amlaka, Amlaki, Vibitaki, Kuvala, Badara, Karkandu, and Pilu are the Virechanopagga dravyas. Thank you.